Today, we're going to be talking about what is real user monitoring and how does it help you see what your visitors are experiencing in real time. So let's get started. How it works. Script will appear in your visitors' browsers and it will actually record their experience the whole time that they're on the website. And it will deliver this experience to you in a few different pieces. But the experience is gathered across thousands of real people visiting your website. So let's talk about real user monitoring and how it differentiates from maybe your page speed insights report or your GT metrics report. Lab data is a synthetic test. It's ran on a simulated device. You could run it 100 times over and over again. It's not going to show you what your actual visitors experience. Now, RUM data is taken exclusively from your real visitors. So you know that when you optimize for RUM data, you're actually improving your user's experience. Now, let's talk about what it measures specifically. Field data is the main thing that we test for with real user monitoring. And your field data is your largest contentful paint, your interaction index paint, and your cumulative layout shift, which are also known as Google's Core Web Vitals. Now, we can also see which device that they're coming to the website from. Are they on an iPhone that's 5 years old, or do they have a 3G connection? Which country are they coming from? You want to be able to tell, is this an anomaly? Or is it actually the majority of my users? Now, your Chrome user experience report, which is a free tool from Google, that will actually show you how your users experience your real user monitoring data without needing a script, because Google will gather this data themselves. And they'll put it in Google Search Console and under your Chrome user experience report. So why does this matter? Well, Google will grade your website based on whether you're passing core vitals or not. They will include it in their ranking algorithms, which they've done since 2020. They'll also impact your ad costs, your user experience, your conversion rate. All of these things go together. So you want to make sure that you're testing your real user experience pretty much daily. So as we went over just previously, your Google Chrome user experience report, on PageSpeed Insights, right under that score, you'll see the Chrome User Experience Report button. So if you click on that, that'll take you to your real user monitoring data. And then in Search Console, in your Google Search Console, that's another way to access this data just under Core Web Vitals. Real user monitoring is exactly what your actual visitors see when they go to the website. Don't get caught up in the lab data. Do I have 100% score on GT metrics or HSpeed insights? Look at what your actual users are experiencing. And if you'd like help fixing your Core Web Vitals and doing real user monitoring and identifying issues in your website speed, head over to pagespeedmatters.com. We've done over 1,500 speed optimizations in the last 6 years. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.